Hey guys, today we are in Audi A6 on the C7 platform, and I'm going to show you how to enter the hidden menu, diagnostic menu in the instrument cluster. So we are in the car, the ignition is off, and right now I'm going to press and hold the three preset button, and while holding it pressed, I'm going to turn the ignition on. There's no need to turn the engine on, so I'm not going to press the brake pedal. I'm just going to keep holding this button and press this button. And that's the hidden menu in the instrument cluster. You can see the current coding over here. So if you don't have a diagnostic tool and you want to check what's the actual coding, you can do it this way. You can check it over here. And also you have the part number over here. So if you happen to need to replace the instrument cluster for some reason, you can check the part number over here. You don't have to disassemble your dashboard to view it, or use a diagnostic tool to check the part number this way. And we have some other things over here which are less important for us right now, but still I think that I should share this information with you. Okay, so that would be it for today. Let me show how to escape this menu. You can just turn the ignition off or press anything on the steering wheel and it will go to your normal screen. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this short tutorial. Maybe let's call it a tutorial. Subscribe for future ones, and see you soon.